Label the test tubes: A. Ethanol, B. Isopropyl alcohol, C. Tertiary butyl alcohol, and D. Phenol. Add 10 drops of each in their respective test tube. Add 3 ml of distilled water to each test tube. Gently swirl test tubes A, B, and C. Observe the homogeneity of the solutions. Shake well for test tube D, which contains phenol. Using a tweezer, dip the pH paper and read the value of pH by comparing the color against the chart on the dispenser. Record your results. Repeat the solubility experiment, except instead of water, use ligorine, which is a nonpolar compound. Observe and record the homogeneity of the solutions. Using a spatula, add 2 drops of the sample and burn on an open flame. Two drops of ethanol. Two drops of isopropyl alcohol. Two drops of tertiary butyl alcohol. Two drops of phenol. Aromatic will burn with a sooty flame as a result of unburned carbon particles being present. Lucas test for alcohols. Label 3 test tubes A, B, and C as primary, secondary, and tertiary as alcohol respectively. Ethanol, secondary IPR, third tertiary, which is butyl. This is ethanol, isopropyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. We've added 5 drops each. Add 1 ml of Lucas reagent to each of the test tube. IPR, that was, and this is ethanol. Swirl and mix for a few seconds. Look carefully for any cloudiness which may develop. To the test tubes that do not show reaction, warm the test tubes in a water bath at set at 60 degrees for about 10 minutes or until you see some cloudiness. Record your observation. That was the isopropyl. Ethanol remains clear. So confirmatory test for ethanol. Add 5 drops of ethanol into a test tube. Add 10 drops of Ki3. Swirl. The color should get like a yellow brown. If not, add a few more drops. To this test tube, add 1 drop of 3 molar sodium hydroxide solution. The color should get to a pale yellow. If not, add another drop of sodium hydroxide. Swirl till you see ethyl iodide separate in the form of a mild yellow precipitate. This confirms the presence of ethanol. Iron chloride test. Label 4 test tubes A, B, C, and D as primary, secondary, tertiary, and phenol respectively. Add 5 drops of each in their respective test tubes. Add 2 drops of ferric chloride solution. Record your observation. To the test tube containing containing phenol, add a little more distilled water and shake. Look out for any color change on the sides of the test tube. Thank you.